Hello guys, so in this video we would focus on debugging some of the errors, the issues that we encountered while maybe creating a user or creating consultants or adding new services to the website. Now let's quickly take a look at one of the errors. So I want to log into the admin session. I'll quickly open this and then type admin. So to log in as an admin, it says that this is the admin login details, admin@example.com. Then the login password is just password. So open our browser and type admin@example.com, then password, and click login. Now, once I click login, there's an issue, right? Well, wait, let's first of all check. It says for us to access this, the admin dashboard is this.admin.blah blah blah. So let me open this and go back here. I'll type this. So I'll log out again, right? Once you log out, remember that the login and the sign up buttons are going to be here, meaning that you can sign up on the page. Okay, you can log in through here. But let's just go straight to admin and hit enter. Now once you open admin and hit enter, it's asking us to first log in. Now we'll try it again, and we have admin@example.com password and click login. Now this is the issue we have. So first and foremost, we'll have to debug this. How do we do that? The issue here is that route dashboard is not defined. So I take a screenshot. I'll take a screenshot on my computer, and then I'll just go to my agent and paste it. Then I'll tell the agent, this is I'm getting this error message while trying to log in to my account, right? My account. Let's wait to see what the AI agent will give to us. So it has detected that it's an undefined route called the dashboard route. So it said I see the error. So AI agent has detected the error, which is the default Laravel Breeze login tries to redirect to a route named dashboard after login, but we are using admin.dashboard. Oh, let me fix this. Okay, so we just have to be patient enough to allow this to be fixed. So I'll pause the video, and then once it's done, or I think it's already done. So I'll fix the login redirect issue. Now try to log in again, it should work. So I'll go over here. I'll just reload, go back to the home page. I'll first log out, then log in, admin.example.com password, login. So we've done the first debugging, right? Now both the user and let's log in as the user. The customer's email is customer@example.com. Then we have the password to be password. Now, so we have both the admin and the customers login successfully to the account. So as a user, this is how you book a space. Click book now, right? Once you click book now, you pick any of the services you want to book for. Then you choose your date or select availability. Okay, and then continue and proceed to payments. You can click on back. So that means we fixed that particular issue. Now let's log out. Let's log in as admin again. Then password. I'll log in here. I'll quickly create let's create a service. Let me delete this service. So you notice what happened. I cannot delete a service. Once I click on delete, you see what's going on. The screen is shaking. And also, if I click add service, now let's first of all debug that issue. So I can click edit, right? Update service. Now we have an issue here, which we are going to screenshot. The issue we have is services.index not defined. And whenever you have any issues on your website, what you will do, you may not be screenshotting, okay, the way I'm doing, but there's another method we call console. By right clicking, going to inspect, and then you go to the console. Let's reload again. Now we can see that there's an issue here, internal server issue. So you can either copy the error you get from the search console, or if you are getting similar error, right? If you are getting this error on your browser, you also copy from there or screenshot it and give it to it. Now, I'll screenshot this and then I'll go to AI again. I am getting this error. So we allow AI to find the best solution for us. Now, you notice what the AI agent did. So it went through all other controllers, right? Because I think the issue is coming from controllers. Now, it says I need to fix the other controllers too, because looking like all the route redirecting the controllers are using services.index instead of admin.services.index. Now, that's an issue. So it goes through it and then begins to fix all the other admin controllers that have similar issues. Now, what you just need to keep doing is by accepting this, okay? Just keep accepting the changes. So we give it time to process everything needed. So now we have everything fixed at the moment. Then that means we can proceed to our okay, let's go to services. Let's reload this. I'll go to services. I click on edit. Click on update. So service successfully updated. I can click on delete, but it's not deleting, right? But now I can edit and then update services, right? I can edit and then I think I can assign one more consultant and update it. So if I edit again, oh, we don't have this updated. It says service updated, right? So we have two consultants updated. Now we still have an issue. We cannot delete a service. So we can go over to AI and ask it, I cannot delete a service. Kindly fix this for me. But, okay. So let's just click continue, right? Let's wait for the AI agent to start work. So let's quickly take a look. So now what AI is trying to do is it wants to go through our website, right? AI is working now. I'm not clicking anything, right? So this AI agent has the ability to access your browser, and even manipulate the DOM, all right? Like clicking on buttons, making changes, even to login. So now it says that agent needs my input from the AI agent. So I'll just click on confirm. And so it's beginning to scan through the site. I think it wants to try to delete a particular service, but then it wants me to confirm or deny if it should proceed or not. So it's very smart. It's very smart and intelligent. Asking for your permission before it proceeds. Now delete button not found. Blah 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 blah. Now let's keep checking what's going on. So service deleted successfully. Agent needs my inputs. Confirm. Let's check again. I'm getting my DOM. View booking. right? My agent is clicking. I'm not doing anything, right? He's clicking. So I go back and then let's see what's going on here. Yeah, the agent is doing something. I don't know what's going on, man. What's going on? Agent needs my inputs. Is it still working? I think AI agent is done. So I'll just quickly close the browser. Then I'll look at the services here. Let's see what this thing is saying. It says, could you tell me, are you seeing the confirmation pop up and clicking OK? So I'll try to delete, something is going on. What's going on? Okay. What happened? Let me try to log in this with another browser. Try to browse then admin.example, right? .com password. I'll click login. So, and then we'll go to services, delete. Oh, I think the issue was from that browser. So delete the service. Okay. Okay, we have service successfully deleted. We also have the edit button. Okay. And then we have this other edit button. So we can add clients. We have this number one client that have signed up, right? So any new client that signed up is going to appear here as a client to this booking system. So we have the general information. These are the business hours. So you can make changes to these business hours here. So for the payment gateway, I'm not going to be covering that. Okay. There's going to be a section for this. So we have the notifications here. Then for different categories, we have them. Then we have appointments. So for calendar, once I click calendar, we are still experiencing that issue. So let's quickly fix this calendar. Now I'm going to take a screenshot to capture this. I'll first tell you thank you. That issue has been solved. But I have another challenge. The screenshot here shows error when I click on calendar from admin dashboard, right? So I'll just paste the screenshots, hit enter. So let's quickly fix that up. So I think we are done. It says I've created a calendar view. The calendar page should work now. So let me accept everything. I would also like to open back the page, and now we have the calendar view. So we can see appointments that has been booked. We can see by pending, confirmed, completed. For now, there is no appointment book, so we may not really filter it by confirmed, completed, or cancelled, or even pending. We also have the list view here. We have the calendar view. So I think we have successfully completed this project. Now there are a few things that may be added, right? But this thing is completed, just that we have not hosted it on the live server. I'll still show you guys how to buy a domain name, buy a hosting, and then push your website directly from your local host. This local host is just like saying an address within your system instead of the address where you can use to find your server or your hosting, right, on the internet. So what this thing does is that this particular one, like, I don't know if you can see on my screen, 127.0.0.1 colon 8001/admin. So all these things you are seeing here is localhost. You can replace everything here by localhost, right? Slash saying localhost. Yeah, so the localhost by default, localhost is usually is usually 3000, but ours is at 3000 and I think 3001. Let me confirm this. So 8001. So localhost, we edit this to 8001. So 8001. So all the 127.0.0.1, we replace it with 8001. And we can just put here /admin to log in to our admin again. Password. I log in to have my dashboard. Okay, we have our website. We have appointments, calendar view working correctly. Now we've successfully done that. Just in case you may want to make some changes to your own website and we experience an issue, follow the same process, screenshot it, go to your AI agent, then paste it there, right? And you get all your problems fixed for you. So thank you so much. We've been able to see how to debug our code using or project using AI agents. All right, so see you guys in the next class.